Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite medical clips. The first couple include a comedone extractor. So naturally, I'll put a link to my favorite pimple popper kit in the description below. You can pick it up with Amazon Prime. Alright, next, let me show you a clip from Brittany Joy McCalla. She has an incredible body transformation video. If you're looking to lose weight and look great, consider Thinnergy. We'll have more about Thinnergy at the end of the video. Here's a few of my other favorite clips from Instagram's Greatest Medical. While you watch, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this open and triple Lutz, triple toe loop combination.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Thinnergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Karen sold it.